Early morning yoga with intake. This is level 1. Level 4. Can anybody even make it to a level 4? Let's find out. Level 1. Oh my gosh, do you see how that just popped out? Level 2. Oh, it's so much more relaxing like that. Level 3. Oh my gosh, can I even possibly make it to level 4? I don't think this is even possible, but we're gonna find out. Oh my gosh, it's like I can smell the heavens right now. If you're doing any kind of fitness journey like I am, you need to try these. These are seriously life-changing. I'm not even kidding.